In recruitment practices, computers may one day learn to discriminate against human workers. The rise of AI has prompted various unsolved questions about the future of technology and the unanticipated effects it may create. Even the most optimistic futurists may concede that certain technologies are nearing a tipping point where it is impossible to predict how they will be used or what unexpected consequences may occur. This implies that when the results are assessed by an AI, a human could never construct a CV better than an AI. This video will uncover unthinkable question at Informed Nation. Number 1. How a drone cluster can quickly disrupt the world's infrastructure. Drones have become commonplace, regularly completing missions for construction projects, civil engineers, security organizations, real estate agents, and a broad range of other applications. Because drones are increasingly common, the Federal Aviation Administration maintains a pilot certification program. Drones, in addition to being valuable for business, may pose a serious security danger since they may fly through internal security vulnerabilities like mosquitoes through a chain link fence. Number 2. How humanity can crushed up into paper clips by overeager AI in the paperclip maximizer situation. Since the dawn of the industrial age, humans have been anxious about the future of technology. Rather of AI exterminating people purposefully, as in films such as The Terminator, it happens solely by coincidence in the paperclip maximizer scenario. Consider an AI robot tasked with creating the greatest number of paper clips possible. It starts to achieve its goal to the exclusion of all other criteria, annihilating all life on Earth in the process since it fails to prioritize or comprehend the significance of anything else. On the good side, it makes all the paper clips. Number 3. Self-driving vehicles can be remotely operated and hijacked. With various semi-autonomous self-driving technologies available in almost every major vehicle manufacturer's models and companies like Tesla investing heavily in self-driving technology, a future in which most vehicles are self-driving is inescapable. Self-driving cars, on the other hand, will depend heavily on mobile networks such as 5G and associated services for intelligence, and researchers are worried about hackers gaining control of autos. However, if a terrorist got control of this network of autos, a massive high-speed big disaster with several victims may occur. The loss of lives would be nearly incomprehensible. Number 4. Massive ransomware attack may bring world economy to its knees. In a ransomware attack, cybercriminals infect computers with malware that encrypts all data and then demands a payment in exchange for the unlock password. Some researchers are worried about the bash situation, dubbed the Moby Dick of ransomware attacks. A well-planned strike on mobile devices, which were previously mostly impervious to ransomware, may encrypt data on more than 30 million devices worldwide. This could cost the economy $193 billion. An attack of this magnitude would have a tremendous effect on every sector, from banking to transportation to energy production, resulting in unprecedented global instability. Consider The Walking Dead, but minus the zombies. 5G networks may unintentionally boost cyber attacks and make whole cities inoperable. The next generation of wireless cellular technology, known as 5G, has started to roll out throughout the United States, offering speeds that are several orders of magnitude faster than today's current 4G networks. This means quicker video playback on mobile devices for consumers, but for businesses, 5G is expected to allow all types of linked equipment from connected autos to industrial automation to smart buildings to operate together more effectively. However, we must be prepared for cyber attacks, which dependence on 5G might increase exponentially. Distributed denial of service attacks have the potential to quickly overwhelm 5G networks and impair critical services. DDoS attacks have already damaged firms such as Netflix and Airbnb, but in the future, the Internet of Things will be used for things like managing traffic patterns and delivering critical data to emergency responders. Number 6. CRISPR might be used to create virus that affects unborn babies. CRISPR, a method that enables researchers to change DNA with surprising ease and precision, has dominated scientific headlines in recent years. CRISPR advocates laud the technology as a genetic tool that is presently being used to eliminate malaria in mosquitoes, cure muscular dystrophy, and improve food. It's feasible to weaponize the water supply using CRISPR. You may build a virus that alters the human gametes in males. People believe they have the flu and recover. But, unknown to them, their sperm cells have been altered, affecting everyone's kids. Number 7. Autonomous vehicles may determine who to crash based on their financial status. Computers and robots with self-aware artificial general intelligence, a sentient AI capable of seeing the world in much the same manner as humans do, are often depicted in science fiction. Other experts, however, feel that more constrained AIs, the sort we are becoming better at constructing today, pose a greater danger since they are geared to solve a certain type of issue, such as how to produce music or operate a car, and have no awareness beyond that. The trolley issue, for example, is a famous philosophical thought experiment in which a fast train is traveling directly for one of two groups of people, and the conductor must choose who would suffer. For self-driving vehicle engineers, who must equip a car to make life-or-death decisions in real time, this thought experiment is real. What if a semi-autonomous car picked who to collide with based on information from Facebook and LinkedIn to determine a person's net worth?